Hey everybody, I never thought Bert and I would be showing another video of this house. This amazing something happened that I want to share with you. This was our first house. This is about 20 miles from where Bert and I used to live in Athens, Georgia, way out in the country. And just for curiosity's sake, we explored it. First time we ever held a camera. This is where Bert got stitches. He cut himself on barbed wire. But the reason I'm showing this today is someone contacted me. Now this is like 7 years later. This was May of 2011 that we started this, and so this guy contacted me the other day, Nick, and he wanted video of the inside of the house, and I had made that private like 3 years ago. All the stuff that we used to put out, the locations, we just kind of made that private for, safety of others and ourselves and whatnot. And there was no way I was going to give this guy our footage of this house until he did something amazing. He let me see a video of his that he made, and it was of a model that he built of this house. And it's amazing. I'm about to show you right now. This is actually the footage. This first footage is Nick's, and the model house is Nick's. And then what we're going to do is go into footage that we had on YouTube on our first channel, and then I'm going to show you some clips that I've never that I just kind of kept out. I never really did edit it in. No one's ever seen them. Is when Bert and I came back the second time when the collapse happened. The first time there was no collapse. And so thanks for watching, and want to say thank you for Nick. Nick, you really surprised me with that model, and that was a great job you did. Thanks for watching. Decay is headed your way. Now I'm about to show a clip. This is a brand new clip. This is a clip I never really was going to edit into YouTube. It's just a clip I kept. I'm glad I did. So you're seeing it for the first time, and we'll be in this room right here. Bert and I used to like to do a lot of little short little features, and we didn't know what was going to be funny, what was going to be interesting, so we just tried a whole bunch of things. Hope you enjoy that. Hey, what are you doing in here?
I'm actually just was looking around. I'm not.
Did you know this is private property?
I did not know that. I thought that this house was just kind of left abandoned. I didn't know that anybody owned it. I'm actually just a student from UGA. I'm a photojournalist student, and what I do is part of my daily routine is I go and I'll take pictures of old abandoned houses, antebellum type houses, and I kind of just have like a photo log where I go, and that's like kind of what my degree is working towards, a big spread of all of these old historic buildings. I apologize, I didn't know that this was owned by anybody. I thought that, well, obviously at one point it was owned, but now.
All right, so this next clip is brand new also. We're gonna come in the back door. Bert's gonna be filming the kitchen. Like I said, this is our first video. We usually do a thorough video, but we didn't on this house. I don't know why, but we're gonna look at the kitchen here. And then remember, this is the second time we're coming back, and we see the collapse here right in the middle of the house, the foyer. So now this is not smart of us, but we cut through the rubble, and we're going to make our way into this bedroom. There's some damage here. I think the top floor has fell in a little bit here too from this debris, and then we're going to walk through to this room. All right, so let's check that out.
Hey guys, the case head your way. We're in the original abandonment. This is the abandonment the very first one we ever tackled. We didn't realize we didn't get good footage, so it's best that we come back and take a look and see what we missed.
Man, I don't think we'll be going up. Yeah, we can go upstairs. I thought we couldn't, but maybe.
Oh yeah, this is the where we had to kind of walk on the side and kind of follow it all the way around, because as you can see, it is caved in, guys.
And let me ask you this: do you want to just practice right here?
If there's a window, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm kind of uneasy about going over there.
Or that window right there.
Can we get over there? I'm gonna film you. Which way you want to go?
I just want this one.
Yeah, we've never been in that room.
Really?
Bert's 26 now. 26 years old. February 2013. I'm 41. I turned 41 January.
This looks like it's some cave in.
I just don't want the roof to fall on us.
Alright.
Here you go, Bert.
Or we can go in there.
Oh, you want to go in there?
Yeah, it's more of a stable floor. I don't know if you'll be able to see that.
We thought we heard a car door close. Now we parked right near the abandonment. Did you hear something go boom? Well, we probably need to check that out first. Good. Anyway, this next footage, we're gonna come up the stairs here. You don't actually see this because it's dark or something. But we do enter this room. This is gonna be the footage that you see right in here. So just right in here. So you won't see footage of this. You won't see footage of this bedroom or this bedroom. I just don't have it. I've looked everywhere. All right. It feels sturdy, don't it? I bet you. See, we're taking this for granted, but we shouldn't. Like this floor.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe boy, these windows up. You know, why the edges? Just because it's stronger, you think?
That's what I would think.
Me too. Those big old windows right there. I can't believe you're in here.
Alright, this is where I won't go in.
What?
Because the floor.
So this next part is the backyard. Off to the side, there was like a maybe storage or a chicken house or some kind of well. I'm not sure. It never made it to the cut because it was just you know, the camera was bouncing around and stuff. But listen, on another note, it just dawned on me that all this footage you're seeing is the collapse. Bert and I did not have a camera the first time we went here. It just dawned on me because right after this, we got on a plane like 5 days later and went to Detroit on our first trip of urban exploration, looking at all these historic buildings that's abandoned but it was never my intention to. I didn't know anything about YouTube or editing, and so we came back because the first time we came, that's when he got cut. We got spooked. Bert started running, and he ran into a fence that it was invisible to him. He didn't see it, and he had to have stitches. We was on my motorcycle. I had to go to the Athens emergency room in May of 2011. We came back. All this footage right here you're seeing is when we came back the second time. That's when we noticed that the middle of the house collapsed. Then we came back a third time, like a year later, and then you see some footage in there of that also, of where we came back and filmed the kitchen and whatnot. So I just wanted to clarify that, even for my sake. I go back and listen to these videos 5 years later. I need an account of what really happened because I'll forget. So Nick, I appreciate you showing me your model. Man, that was probably the highlight of my day since the Falcons lost yesterday. But everyone, thanks for watching Decay Headed Your Way. Leave me a message. Tell me if you are an original follower of this channel and you've been watching. Bert and I would like to hear that. We love comments and we thank you. And we'll continue making videos.